Hello everybody. So I have a new digital kit here that my sister made. It's like a stained glass window, shattered. It's called Shattered. I think it's like Shattered Flowers or something. Isn't it beautiful? Here we have daffodils, right? And she was inspired by like geometric kind of stained glass. Very pretty. We have this one I love. And this one, I thought I would use a lot of these in my garden journal. I think that they'll be great. So yes, we have a blue one and a purple one. Beautiful. And then we have these ones, right, which are kind of, they're like the whole flower, kind of faded into the background. Beautiful. Here's a purple one. Here's like a collage of the like four. Here we have faded ones. They're like background pages. I love these. This is stunning. I love. And then here we have some ephemera. Right, we have a couple, some journaling cards and little labels. It's like Monet and stuff. Some fussy cut flowers, some envelopes, right? So one envelope, two envelopes, and then a little set of two little envelopes, and some tags and little squares and circles and stuff, more little labels. So yay! I wanted to show off the beautiful kit my sister made. I have it in the shop now. I'll have the link below and everything, and then I'll be back very soon, and we're going to make a little, I'm going to work on the garden journal, I think. So anyway, I will talk to you soon. Bye!